Hello and welcome to the series of videos where we're going to be looking at all different types of van ownership, whether that's full-time live-in vans, day vans, surf vans, show vans, all sorts. So come and join me as we hit the road and explore the phenomenon that is van life. So for the next video, I'm on the border of Wales and England to see a man called Steve with an American Boogie van. Now, this thing's crazy. Coming up right behind me now, check it out. Check out this beast. Oh yes, today's gonna be a good day. Here we go. Hey Steve.
Hey, how we doing, mate?
Very good, very good. So this is it?
Sure is.
Just finishing up cleaning then as well?
Yeah. I'm just about to put some wet and black stuff. I used to use the spray on, but I've started using the tyre gel stuff instead. Because it, you put it on, you don't get it on all the chrome. Because it's a bit annoying after you've cleaned all your wheels. And then you get all that spray over and you've got to detail them all again. But this stuff's nice and easy to use. Wipe it on and spin it around.
I mean, especially with your paint job and your wheels.
Yeah, you don't want to be getting it all on there because it does, if it's a little bit windy, it does sort of carry a little bit in the wind, doesn't it? So
with this as well, so you'll leave the tyres to when you get to an event, a show or anything like that?
Yeah, because if I try doing beforehand, where I got the radial TA, if I do it a little bit, you'll end up having a few streaks. So that's probably one of the last things I do on there.
Brilliant, brilliant. Well, it's looking good.
Thank you.
Looking forward to having a proper look around it.
Yeah, more than welcome.
Let's check it out. So Steve, we're here with your van. Yep. It looks incredible.
Thank you.
I don't know where to start with it.
What I'd say the hardest part is trying to replicate something true 70s. Yeah. That was the hardest part. Finding a van was the big one. Had to be short wheelbase, had to be no windows. That was the big task. Found that on eBay in the States, shipped it over after selling my last one. Collected some parts, NOS, for it. Side exhaust, rear portholes. Got our portholes in the 70s van, and the next thing was finding a painter to do the right job on it.
Sure.
So that's basically the lines I went down. Interior I did all myself, bar the front seats I sent them off to a friend of mine, where I did all the rest of the interior myself, but that developed over time. Started off with doing the front area, sat in the back bit with it undone, decided on like the living room area, and then went to like the bedroom bit at the back. That's basically how all that panned out.
So with this, I mean, how old is the van? Is it a 70?
Yeah, 77, yeah.
Okay, so are there a lot of these around anymore?
No, you can find long wheelbase ones. Short wheelbase is probably the hardest thing to find.
Yeah.
No windows, that's the big one. Some with no windows in, but the whole scene has started to kick off a little bit now here. My first one I got 5 years ago. Went to a bit of a local show in California, saw what they were doing. I had a 63 Bel Air wagon which I decided to sell to buy one of these, and it sort of progressed then. Yeah. Bought my first one, got that, got back here. My mate wanted it, bought another. I've bought 5 of them now, I think.
Okay, and they've all been shipped over from the States?
Bar one lives there.
Yeah. Actually, you've got one over there?
Yeah, I got a 75 Dodge B200 that lives there. Original paint as well, original murals on it. Amazing. Yeah.
Amazing. So, I mean, is there a big scene for this in the UK?
It started this last 2 years. I said it probably really has kicked off. 1 or 2 being imported. Seen them at a few bike shows because quite a few people are into them in the bikes. They put the Harley in the back end. If they want to sleep, get it out and keep it in the back. But yeah, it has really started creeping up now.
Yeah, and I mean, are there parts of these in the UK, or is it a case of shipping them
Not really. You can get mechanical parts. Our companies import the mechanical parts, but a lot of the stuff you've got to bring in yourself, or find them online, or eBay's always a good one, or Craigslist, something like that.
So how is it with keeping it running, engine-wise and stuff? I mean, are those parts, again, all from the States, or...?
You can get all that mechanical side of stuff, plugs, leads, you can buy all that here. If you get the smaller things, I have to get some bump stops on those. I had to import those, nobody had those in stock. Right. But your general day-to-day stuff, you can probably get that, and oils and filters, you can get all that side of it.
So I can't ignore this paint job. I mean, how many layers are on there? And I don't know if I want to know the time that went into it, because it looks incredible. But I thought I'd ask. It just looks.
It was a year and a half of the paint shop.
Right. Okay. There we go.
It started off as basically a work van, but it was straighter than the average T4. To be fair, I reckon he carried a load of pillows in the back of it.
Right.
It was pretty good. We had a few modifications. Gull wing door. We got a gull wing door on a 70s van. Bonnet scoop. Had to put that on there. Getting the body straight, primed. I think it was about 3 or 4 months, because it was an infill job, it wasn't a dedicated job.
Right.
So you on and off, on and off, on and off. Then it sat for a little while, they had a few issues down there, and lo and behold,
here we are now.
Yeah, here we are with it today.
Brilliant. So I mean, was it hard to find a painter for that? Because surely that's not something that's normally done in the UK.
I did a bit of searching trying to find a painter. I did come across a fella who'd done a T4 before, did a really nice job on that, liked what he was doing, went and worded him up, took the van down to show him, and we come to an arrangement to work something out.
Brilliant, brilliant. Right, Steve, thank you very much for letting me look around your van. I've absolutely loved it, and I hope you guys have too. If you've got a 70s inspired van, drop your Instagram handle in the comments or a link to your YouTube channel. I'd love to have a look around them. Or even if you've got any type of camper, any type of van, I'd be interested in having a look. So let me know. Make sure that you follow Steve at Long White Socks on Instagram and myself at athompsonsphoto.com. Be sure to subscribe to the Turtle Wax channel for more of these videos. And if you want to find out more about the products that we've used today, head over to turtlewax.com. I'll see you on the next video. I'm thinking full-time lived-in camper or maybe an adventure wagon. So if you've got one of those, hit me up. See you on the next one.